In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a field in Microsoft Forms. This process is straightforward but important for keeping your surveys and quizzes organized. A clean form makes it easier for your respondents and improves their overall experience. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. After entering the search term, you will see several results related to Microsoft Forms. It is crucial to choose the correct link to ensure that you are accessing the official Microsoft Forms site. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows, so take your time to ensure you are on the right page. Once you land on the site, you'll be ready to log in if necessary. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already signed in to your Microsoft account, you may be taken directly to your forms. However, if you aren't logged in, you will need to enter your credentials. This could include your email address and password. Logging in is essential because it secures your information and allows you to access your own forms. Once you sign in, you will see your dashboard filled with your surveys and quizzes. Now, open your survey or quiz on Microsoft Forms. Locate the specific form you wish to edit from your dashboard. Clicking on the form opens it up for editing, and you'll be able to view all the questions and options you've set up. This is a critical step because it allows you to make changes directly to the content that your respondents will see. Once your form is open, you are ready to pinpoint the exact question you want to remove. Scroll down your page to locate the specific question field you want to remove. Take your time during this step to ensure you find the correct question. This is important because deleting the wrong field can lead to confusion and disrupt the flow of your survey or quiz. As you navigate through your questions, you'll notice how the layout of your form is organized. Make sure you identify the field that no longer serves your purpose. Left-click anywhere inside that question card. This enters edit mode, bringing up the bounding box and question settings. In edit mode, you can see additional options for modifying your question. You may notice that the question card becomes highlighted, indicating that it is now active for editing. This visual cue assures you that you are on the right track. With the question card ready, you are just a few steps away from removing it. Look at the top right corner of the active question card block. Here you will notice various icons that allow you to edit, duplicate, or delete the question. Pay attention to this area as it holds the key to managing your questions efficiently. Knowing where to find these options is crucial for speeding up your editing process. Keep your focus here as you prepare to delete the field. Click the delete question icon represented by a small trash can. This action is final, so make sure you are ready to proceed. Once you click this icon, you are confirming that you want to remove the question from your form. This step is vital because it helps you to declutter your survey and ensures that only relevant questions remain. After you click, you may see a quick animation as the question disappears, confirming that the action was successful. The field will immediately disappear from your form layout. This instant change is a significant reassurance that your edits are being applied in real time. You can now see how your form looks without that particular question. At this point, you can continue editing or save your changes depending on your needs. This process helps maintain a clean and efficient survey, making it easier for respondents to engage with your content.